Hi friends, welcome to D'Souza's kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make egg chops. So let's start. Let's have a look at the ingredients. Here I have 2 boiled eggs, salt as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon cumin jeera powder, 1/4 teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon haldi powder, turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon pepper powder. 3 medium-sized boiled potatoes, rava semolina suji, 1 raw egg, and oil for frying. Now we'll mash the potatoes. We'll add all these: red chili, haldi, turmeric, black pepper powder and salt. And we'll mash. Our mashed potato is ready. Here I have pan with oil which is nice and hot. I have cut 1 egg into 2 pieces and here I have beaten egg. Now we will take small amount of mashed potato, flatten it, and add the egg piece. And roll it between your palms. Dip it in the egg. And roll it in the semolina. Now we will place it in the oil. Our egg chops are done. You need to fry them till all the sides are light brown in color. Our egg chops are ready. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.